Hello Virtuous family, welcome to VirtuousSkills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what we have for you is how to preserve avocado to last longer. And the beautiful result is on my countertop. You know, avocado are available all year round, just like every other fruit. January, February and March in where I live are the peak months. It is very cheap at these months and very easy to get without walking all through the market searching for it. During these months, I buy avocado in a large quantity, but because they easily go bad, I preserve them just to save cost. Today, I will be showing you how to preserve avocado for them not to go bad easily or quickly, especially when you have a lot of them. Would you like to know how I came up with this beautiful result on my countertop? Then sit back, don't go nowhere, let's do it together. Recipes we need to preserve the avocado for a longer period is ripe avocado and lemon. You can as well use lime to replace the lemon if you so wish. The reason why we are using lemon here is that the citric acid in lemon juice helps slow the browning process. That means the lemon juice prevents the avocado flesh not to change color easily. Alright, now let's begin with the process. Open the avocado into 2 equal parts, remove the seed, peel off the skin, or do just the way you see me doing. Anyhow you see me remove the avocado flesh is the only easy way to remove avocado flesh from the skin. I've started cutting the avocado in chunks. As you can see, you can cut yours any shape you like, but this is the shape that goes for me. I like this shape because I can use it to do anything I feel like doing. Alright, do you know that avocado is one fruit that no one should play with? The nutrients in avocado help maintain healthy digestion. Avocado also is packed with a lot of fibers and it lowers blood pressure. Avocado is rich in potassium. Avocado helps in vision and it also helps during pregnancy. If you are pregnant and you don't eat avocado, I don't know what you then eat. Keep watching. Have you liked this video yet? Please, if you have not liked the video, please hit the like button to show us some love and support. This is all I've got. Please, I've added my lemon juice not knowing that my camera was off, but bear in mind that I added the lemon juice and mixed to combine. The essence of adding the lemon juice is to prevent the avocado flesh from changing color easily. Next thing now is to spray the avocado flesh on the tray and freeze it open for at least 3 hours. And the essence of freezing it open is to prevent it from not sticking to each other. 3 hours later, Virtuous family, this is what we got. Here we have our frozen avocado. Carefully detach them from the foil or parchment paper and then store them in a Ziploc or airtight container and put inside the fridge and use them anytime and as long as you want. This is all I've got right inside the Ziploc. You can as well store it in an airtight container as I earlier said. Is this not beautiful? Yes, it is. You can use this frozen avocado for your sandwich, smoothie, bread toast, mixed fruit salad or poundings. You can use it as long as you want for at least 6 months. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please, if you do enjoy it, hit the like button to show us some love and support. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comments to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.